In case nobody's asked you this today, are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, it's okay to feel a loss sometimes. It's alright that you don't want to smile. You don't need to explain bad moments away. We all get them and get through them. Don't forget that even the darkest clouds have the sun shining on the other side. So give it time.
I'm sorry for everything, but wish you nothing but the best on me. You were so perfect and I couldn't receive. You even forget the good things I did. Now I'm gone and I'm so done. I will never forget the scars you left in malu ifale suta uafinangalo wa ulava wana ositangata fa atawa amale ulamutiva ya mawale lutu fa amangalo mafa angalo ya mawale lutu fa amangalo mafa angalo love more my